I'm a sole proprietor, when do I start paying taxes?
That's a good question. Well, just keep in mind that for any individual, taxes are always due on April 15th. It doesn't matter if you're running a business as a sole proprietor or whether you're an individual taxpayer. Taxes are due on April 15th. So that doesn't change. If you're running a business, you're not a corporation, you're not a partnership, you're running a business, whether it's out of your home or whether it's out of another location, your taxes are going to be due on April 15th. However, as a sole proprietor, as somebody that owns their own business, you do have estimated tax payments that may be due throughout the year depending on the profitability of your business. And those come in increments, 4 different increments throughout the year. So if you're a sole proprietor and you are making a profit on your business, then you want to be sending in those payments to the IRS on a quarterly basis so that when you do have to file your taxes by April 15th, you're not left with a large tax liability.
All right, that's awesome. Thank you. All right, so